what is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe dahil usong-uso na ang mga RGB things ngayon. RGB fans, RGB RAM, RGB SSDs, RGB anything. Ina-RGB na natin lahat ngayon. Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng isang RGB mousepad. So I got this mousepad from my Christmas party from my company, and I think while searching around Shopee, nakita ko nasa around 450 to 499. So we will consider this a tech under 500 pesos. So check na muna natin yung box. Sa harap, makikita natin MSWT-5 gaming mousepad, USB powered plug and play. So 14 mode spectrum backlighting, 7 colors. So we will check that out later. On the right side, you have a hole here para ma-feel mo yung ating mousepad, and of course the name of the product. Sa likod, things lang, mga quality specifications niya. And then there's sizes then here. I'm not sure kung what size this is. So buksan na natin ang ating box. Yeah. So opening the box, makikita agad natin ang ating RGB mouse na naka-roll. And okay, nandito rin ang ating USB cord. So roll lang natin siya. Okay, so makikita natin sa kanyang mga sides yung RGB lighting natin, and dito natin i-connect sa ating computer or sa power, any power outlet that you can, dahil meron naman tong micro USB to USB type A. This will be a very fast unboxing kasi wala naman masyadong madi-discover sa mousepad other than it's just RGB. Also, I have some other mousepads here na nakuha ko on Shopee for 267 pesos each. So, we got this light gray color. It's fairly cheap feeling na mousepad, pero this will be used for my white build. And then there's another one that's colored pink. So this will be used for the build, the pink unicorn build for my girlfriend. Stay tuned for those builds na gagawin natin. So we will just test this kung ano ang itsura nitong mousepad na to pag nasa dark and pag umiilaw siya. So here's the mousepad, merong konting light. So papatayin ko na muna yung lights para makita nyo ang glow effect nitong mousepad na to. So that was all for my unboxing of this RGB mouse mat or mousepad. Let me know what you think in the comments. So like this video if you like it. I will be sharing the link below for this RGB mousepad. So subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend?